quite a number of them are students that have set out to detach from dependency syndrome.
I am fearful and wonderfully made.
As you see them here, they're willing and are set to do whatever it takes to better their best so that they can be independently functional.
Unasomea nini? Knitting. Ah. Have you done knitting before?
Yeah.
Where? At home?
Yeah.
And when you've been here for how long now?
20.
Since 2020?
Yeah.
Since 2020?
Yeah.
When do you want? When will you finish? Sister Banda said you'll finish when?
2023.
2023. Hey. And you'll be a fashion designer.
Yeah.
Sindio? Hey, fantastic. That is a very good career.
The second thing that we target is mainly to ensure that we have any mode of income generating activity that enables them also to stop begging. Because when you go in our streets at times, you find that most people with challenges, it can be of any manner, physical or not physical, but the person is faced with a situation where they have to beg. Idea. So for them, they are struggling now so that they may be of a different caliber, a caliber that is self-sufficient, a caliber that works hard, and a caliber that is able to give back to the society. So even when they're here, we have those trends, and all would invite you to help us partner with other people, help us get market for those items that they make, and in a very, very special way, link us to those organizations that in one way or another can take them for internship. The Cheshire Foundation normally, once the facility is established and also the land purchased, then the rest is left to the management by the committee. And I'm very, very happy to realize that our vice chair is your chair. And so she's somebody who has this home at heart.
We have got individuals from KHS Dhika and individuals from KHS Limuru. And then we have our friends who have come to support this activity.
Sasa imagine wewe umeona ulimwengu, umekuja unakaa hapa mahali panapendeza hivi, Mungu anakuletea marafiki hawa, si unaona Mungu anakupenda? Unafikiria ni watu wengi wanatembelewa venye nyinyi mnatembelewa? Juu mnapendwa, sawa sawa.
We are here so that we can cheer somebody up and leave the girls feeling good and leave the sister feeling good. Sister, yeah. Here's your tree. From all these people that are here, this is an anti-tree. It is indigenous Kenyan, or even indigenous African. It should flower. We got beautiful flower if it is looked after.
It's one thing for us to plant trees for her, which will last, but I know she wants the children, the girls we've just been working with, to have this beautiful interconnectedness with nature and to just love the environment. So one of the things I know that a beautiful landscaping does is it makes you feel better, brighter.
All the way from there to here, they are all fruit trees. We have avocado, we have the mulberries, we have even nuts. You know, trees are here. And the reason we are doing this is to, you know, just make sure that we are doing things that are sustainable, things that can be used, that create interest, the girls can look after. And if the fruit come, they eat, isn't it? They will nurture them because they know that they give them, you know, they give them fruits. And apart from that, fruits, we get a lot of nutrients from that. So yes, it's one thing to plant trees, but it's also another thing also to combine these trees that we are planting in indigenous together with the fruit trees. It makes sense, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
Maji sasa.
There's that technology I saw you using over there, Sister Banda. She takes the bottles and then she puts them,
That's a very nice way of recycling our water bottles.
Recycling, and also in case it doesn't rain, it's dripping.
Hey, that tree has received a lot of love.
All the visitors here, they love gardens, they love flowers, they love plants, and most of all, they love you. Isn't that a good thing?
Yeah.
That's why they came, they took their time to come and try and beautify your environment. Does it look more beautiful?
Yeah.
Does it? I'm not sure.
It is.
What is making it more beautiful? I'm not sure.
Trees and flowers and trees. Flowers and trees.
So please take care of them, water them, and we'll come back again and see how they are doing. Is that fine?
Every time when you be free, please, our gate is so open. We love you. Thank you.
We have a great opportunity to touch Sister Banda and tell her that she's doing a wonderful job. Look at the place, just taking care of the girls.
Thank you so much.
They are awesome. They are so vibrant. We listen to the music and it's so heartwarming and touching. And how else to spend a day other than just be with you people and feel the warmth and just be human. For once, just be human.
It helps us to feel wanted, accepted, encouraged, and hopeful.